Hello, so you're welcome so that you can solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So let's now start with the solution. So you can also try it out. Then from there now we can compare our answers. So we have 9 to the power of k plus 9 to the power of k is equals to 108. The first thing is to factorize this maths problem. So how do we factorize? 9 to the power of k into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 108. From there work out the bracket. 9 to the power of k into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 108. So from here now we shall now have to divide both sides by 2. Here by 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 cancel. So now 9 to the power of k is equals to 2 here 1 2 into 108 is 54. So now we shall now have our 54. So assuming that we have the log of k to the power of p for an example, here we can write it as p the log of k. So since here we have 9 to k, for us to work it out properly, we need to introduce what is called the log. So here now we shall introduce the log of 9 to the power of k is equals to the log of 54. So assuming that we have the log of k to the power of p, this one can also be written as p log k. So our log 9 to the power of k can be written as k the log of 9 is equals to the log of 54. Then now from there now divide both sides by the log of 9. Here also by the log of 9. So log 9 and log 9 cancels. So now the value for k now becomes the log of 54 all over the log of 9. So from here now we factorize. So k now shall be written as the log of 54 can be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 9 or 9 multiplied by 6. Since 9 multiplied by 6 is 54 all over the log of 9. So now our k is equals to, so when we have for example the log of a multiplied by b, this one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So here now we shall now have the log of 9 plus the log of 6 all over the log of 9. So next step now we shall say that, so now we shall now say that k is equals to, so the log of 9, we divide both sides by the log of 9, then also plus log 6 all over the log of 9. So log 9 and log 9 cancels. So k now is 1 plus log 6 all over the log of 9. So next, now we shall now say that the value for k is equals to 1 plus, so log 6 can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 2, then all over log 9 can also be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2. Reason 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9. So the one is 3 squared is equals to 9. So the next step now is k is equals to 1 plus, so this one now shall be the log 3 plus the log of 2, then all over, so the log of 3 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2 the log of 3. So next one, the value for k is equals to 1 plus, so here now log 3 all over 2 the log of 3, then plus log 2 all over 2 the log of 3. So next now we shall now say that k is equals to 1 plus, so log 3 and log 3 cancel, so now we shall now have 1 plus 1 over 2, then plus, here now we shall have 1 over 2 log 2 all over the log of 3. So that is now what we shall have. So next now we shall now say that our value for k is equals to, so we have 1 plus 1 over 2, so that now shall be 1 and 1 over 2, then plus, so here now we shall have 1 over 2 the log of 2 to the base of 3. So reason that when you have the log a all over the log b, this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So we shall say that, so finally we shall now say that our value for k is equals to, So this one shall be written as 3 over 2, then plus 1 over 2, the log of 2 to the base of 3. So this one now shall be our final and the most correct answer. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.